All right, very good. Thanks, Jay. Well, it's no secret Veterans Affairs at the local and national levels have seen better days, but Veterans Affairs officials here in Reno say both the Regional Benefit Office and the Veterans Medical Center have seen substantial improvements in the past year, especially in terms of quality and timeliness. Paul Nelson was at the VA roundtable discussion and joins us now live here in the studio. Paul, what kind of transformation are we talking about with the local VA, at least since last year?
Well, Kristen, the focus has been on efficiency. The Veterans Benefits Administration has reduced its claims backlog, and the Veterans Medical Center is improving wait times for appointments. The Veterans Medical Center serves 32,000 people throughout northern Nevada and northeastern California, with about 1,200 visits a day. So far this year, more than 97% of appointments are completed within 30 days.
So we've worked very hard over the years to make sure that we have not only the buildings to provide the care, but we have the staff to support the growing needs in our community. Howard says the amount of patients is growing 3 to 4% every year. That's why plans for a $200 million renovation and expansion project is in the works at the VA Medical Center. They've also increased staffing to 1,300 employees, including more doctors. There's no greater way than to honor veterans by making sure that their health supports their active lifestyles. Officials say there's also been improvement in the Veterans Benefits Administration office in Reno, and that trend is expected to continue.
I would expect to see great improvements. I mean, having a permanent director in place, having a strong leadership team in the service center and voc rehab, I only see the Reno office improving and going up.
Skeen says Reno's Veterans Benefits Office has reduced claims backlogs by 92%, 15 points better than the national average. And the average wait for a claims decision is 119 days, 52 less than a year ago. She says production and accuracy of processed claims are on track to beat last year's totals.
The veterans seem to be seeing the improvements that the Reno office has made, and we've seen much happier customers, I think, as a result of all the hard work our employees are doing here.
Part of the increase in demand is because more veterans are returning from the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan. Just a few years ago, it would take new enrollees about 40 days to see a doctor. Today, 96% are seen on the same day as they enroll. Covering the story live in the studio, Paul Nelson, Channel 2 News.